It does not matter whether you are merely driving your children to the school just down the street, or traveling with the whole family across the country on a summer vacation, you never quite know what can happen while driving. Of course, you may feel that your driving is acceptable above average, perhaps, as some people may say. The truth about the issue is, however, that not everyone always drives as well as you might hope. And there are a lot of unanticipated situations that can pop up as easily as fish in a pond. It is for reasons like these that you must always travel as a prepared driver. To help you in this endeavor to stay prepared for any situation, consider some of the following points, organized below. First of all, don't forget what you learned in driver's education class. For some people, driver's education class may be nothing but a distant memory from their high school days. And while some of the world has certainly changed, most of the rules of the road have stayed the same. After some time, it seems that people either begin to forget what they had learned, or become lax in the way that they drive, thus presenting some risks to their own driving, as well as the driving of people around them. When we say remember what you learned in driver's education class, we mean things like taking care to look carefully before backing up, obeying speed restrictions, and driving according to weather conditions as well. In this day and age, it is also extremely easy to become distracted while driving. Let's face it, there are simply too many cool things that one might have in the car to be able to drive focused, as one might possibly have years ago. Not only do we have incredible sound systems that accommodate devices from CDs to MP3 players and more, but we also have things like GPS systems, video players, digital dashboards, and all kinds of other features in our cars that may easily become distractions to a driver. Whether you have these items in your car or not, pay more attention to the road than to what is going on in your car. It's also a good idea to drive prepared with an extra tire, spare jumper cables, and even a store of food and clothing. This may be especially helpful to those individuals living in climates where winter can have a great effect on driving. Some people, in a snowstorm or the aftermath of a heavy snowfall, may even find themselves stuck for a while. In a case like this, it will be very helpful to have a little extra food, water, and blankets on hand. Don't forget your emergency first aid kit. Of course, it is hoped that it may never need to be used by yourself while driving, but it is always a good idea to be prepared, in case of an accident, or anything else that might warrant its use. As you drive more prepared, you will always be ready for anything that might come up. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.